Good morning, guys. This is an official invitation from my side for all of you for an amazing event which is called Date with Destiny Belief. Okay, today I will take a little bit longer time actually to explain you, okay, what is this event all about, why is it important to be there in that event, and what all is going to happen in the event actually, right? Okay, you know, this Date with Destiny is basically an initiative which is taken by your uplines actually from last year. This is the second year, okay, wherein they decided to bring the entire team together under one roof and celebrate the success for every year actually, right? And you will see many people actually who are working with you day in, day out, going on stage, sharing their stories. And you know, in most of the time, we don't even know what all they have gone through. We only see the end result, we only see the success, and we don't even know what exactly they were going through when they started and they were struggling. And probably you are going through the same phase, but when you listen to their story, you get to know that okay, what exactly yet they did to come out of that phase, and they created success for themselves. So, you know, it's a different kind of environment where you get belief, you get energy, you get a lot of answers for your lot of questions actually, right? And you know, many challenges we go through in the business when we start the business and later on, right? But these are not physical challenges. Most of the challenges are mental challenges, right? And believe me, in such event, such big event, you come back with all the answers and you go all out berserk, start working with complete belief, and you change not only your life but many more life which are attached to you, right? So same thing happened in my life when I started in 2008. 2009 was the first week-on, and it was not very easy for me to go there, right? In fact it was impossible. I didn't have my passport, I didn't have my money, nothing actually, right? And I had no upline, nothing. But somebody told me that, you know, this event probably will change your life. And I decided that I'm going. How? I don't know. I just decided that I'm going there, and I started working towards making an arrangement for passport and every other thing actually, right? And in fact, till last 1 month, okay, I didn't had money actually to go to week-on. But somehow something happened and I received money and I was able to go to week-on, right? And after that, everything changed. Every damn thing changed. I started earning more money. My people started, those who were not there, they started becoming active, and a lot of things changed, a lot of answers. And if you tell me what exactly I got it from there, I cannot tell you. I cannot tell you that this is the one thing which I got it, right? But something happened inside me which changed the way I was working, and which changed the complete scenario of the business actually, right? And after that day, I never came back actually, right? It was only going up and up and up. That's the reason why I believe in such big events, and I believe only one thing: no matter what is a challenge, you have to only do one thing. You decide you're going there, right? First you decide, okay, and have a strong intent that you're going there, and then post that start working to solve those challenges. Believe me, when you start putting 100% effort and you have 100% intent, universe will conspire to solve all these challenges for you, right? But first question is, do you have an intent to come there actually, right? Okay, challenges, yes, there will be challenges, but don't stick to challenges. Try to find out the solution of those challenges actually, right? And believe me, most of the challenges for our lifetime, you know, a lifetime challenges can get solved by basically coming out of these small challenges and attending such event actually, right? Okay, and what is going to happen there, you will get amazed actually when you see people from different walks of life, from your own country, from different kind of a background, making it happen in the business. When you see their story, when you listen to their story, you will understand that your challenges which you are going through probably are the smallest one, and how they faced bigger challenges and how exactly they reached where they are today actually, right? Okay, and probably you will not see them on the stage, you will see yourself on the stage, and that belief, when you go back with, actually that is what exactly going to make you go on the stage next year in this similar event actually, right? Okay, so guys, first decide and make an intent, strong intent that you are going to be there, right? Okay, and this time your in-service uplines actually are doing a lot of things. They are doing arrangement separately for kids, which is there every year, but this time they are doing arrangement for parents actually, grandparents actually, right? Because we believe that whatever you are doing, you are not the only one who's paying price. All the family members who pay the price while you're struggling actually, right? And they need to see and celebrate the success, not only your success, but success of people who are guiding you, so that they can understand that you will also be there one day actually, right? So we're doing a different kind of arrangement for elderly people. There's a different entry, there's a different kind of seating arrangement. They will have a different dining area, So guys, when I took my parents for my second week on actually, right, after that, they started encouraging me more. They started working with me more actually, right? Not physically, but mentally they were with me. So when the entire family come together and if it is aligned, believe me, the business takes a different speed altogether, right? Okay. So don't you think your parents deserve to see what exactly you're doing? They deserve to see your future actually through this event. They deserve to see you going on the stage if you're going this year, or else they should be able to see what exactly you're gunning for actually, right? And I'm sure there'll be again challenges, money, this, that, but you know what? When the entire family come together, universe also help you, okay, to come out of these challenges. So first decide, make an intent that you're coming with all of them, your parents, your kids, you yourself and everyone actually, right? There's a separate link for parents, there's a separate registration for kids, there is a separate registration because they'll be getting its different areas to sit actually and to dine, correct? And then we will have a different kind of a sapphire lounge where all the sapphires and their family members, they can go, they can enjoy the lounge, eat, rest there and everything actually, right? And then other than that, there's a surprise speaker also, right? Again, but most important thing, are you deciding to come there, right? First is your intent, right? Okay. So first ensure that you have an intent to come there, right? And then start putting effort. Believe me, until last minute, if you don't give up, something will happen and you will be there, right? Correct? So believe me, this event can change your life if you come back and start working after that, right? But I'm sure you will get all your answers there in that event, which is stopping you today to move ahead, which you yourself don't know, correct? I was not knowing in 2009 what answer I'm looking for, but I went there, something happened, some magic happened inside, right? Okay. So I want to see all of you in Date with Destiny belief, okay, with your parents, with your kids and with all your loved ones actually, right? Okay. So guys, see you there and we will have our Date with Destiny over there for 4 days. Thank you very much and I love you guys and see you there.